Yesterday I bought this discount meat. It's already marinated and sometimes it's even cheaper than that. And yesterday my friend said, so what do you do with that? Well, it's very simple. Onion, and then I have shallots, garlic. You don't have to have chili, but I like the smell of chili and I've de-seeded it. It's ever so quick as well. Put the onion first. That's what I found best. They caramelize slower than shallots. You don't even have to have shallots. Just onion is enough. I happen to have. And I won't be using salt. Instead, I'll be using, I have this garlic salt. It's also handy if you don't really cook, don't really want to buy garlic and then it goes off or go dry. This is really handy. That's what my Indian friend taught me when I was at uni in Whitechapel. Half a bit of garlic. You don't even have to put garlic if you don't like. It's basically just onion. Would have been enough. And my partner thinks I'm a good cook. I'm not really. A lot of us Asian, you see, Asian girls, Asian women abroad, a lot of us didn't know how to cook, didn't have to cook back home. Either you grew up with maids and servants to do it for you, or you can just buy food outside, don't have to cook. It can be even cheaper than actually cooking. But I'm not sure about how healthy compared to cooking your own food. I could have, this is really old potato, I could have removed all the greens and stir fry it with that. That's what I learned from my Chinese lodger, just to bulk up. And I want this to be real time. But still saving time. The other thing that is key to my cooking and a lot of my Chinese and Japanese friends is kikoman. Mine is almost finished. So keep this always at home. It keeps a long time. And then put your meat. Of course you don't want to eat that. Don't wash the meat anymore, it's already marinated. If you wash the meat, then surely you remove the marinade as well. You can do this with beef, with whatever marinated meat you find in the shop. My basic is kikoman and fish sauce, that's a must-have, sesame oil and sousing rice wine can't find it now, I'm not going to use it. But if you don't really have that, you can also buy, keep this. This keeps long time, years in my case. Probably even 10 years this one is. Don't care what people say. It's been okay. So at this stage, I can add more kikoman if I want. Or any of the 3 sauce, or all of them. I have this frozen, so don't have to buy vegetables all the time. Probably I didn't put enough oil, but I don't really want to be honest. And of course, cup of tea while waiting. Oh, the other thing we have to have in the house, which now I can't find, is oxo. What I do is boil some water. Again, you don't have to. Some people would put, what is it? MSG. But I'll just use stock. Apparently, even the stocks, I don't know for sure, but I read many sources say that they actually have MSG in it. I don't know. MSG intensify flavors by heightening the sensitivity of your taste buds. Okay. A bit more water just to loosen the bottom. So I'm not in any way particularly good cook, but exactly why, if I can do this, other people should as well. This is the stage where you can put the salt. Only put a little bit. That is a little bit because that's not just salt, that's garlic salt. Put whatever vegetables you got. I have some coriander leaves outside, but I'm suspicious that John don't really like coriander, so I'm not gonna risk it. Rice, I cook rice in rice cooker nowadays, and it keeps in the fridge, don't know, 3 days, depending on your fridge, I guess, depending on how you do your storing. And ini apa namanya, spring onion, bawang pre, tapi ini kecil-kecil. You use the base first, it's harder, and the green last to keep the color, and it's quicker to cook. lot of Indonesian people do is if they don't want to use MSG, they use salt and add a bit of sugar. Apparently that heightens the flavors. Don't know. Even the umami. And I have to admit something. I have this thing that I cannot taste my cooking. Yeah. So it's like hit and miss whether it's good or not. What do you call it? It's a bit risky. And then I'll say sorry to everybody if it's too salty or what. And I'm not good with salt as well. I don't really like putting salt in my cooking. I think that's done. That's it. John? You want to warm the rice, darling? I'm videoing. Real time to see how long it cooks.
Alright.
And if you have a bit of ginger, you can throw ginger. I'm not doing it because John don't like ginger apparently. Don't know why. If I just put it, he wouldn't even notice until. So mine has coriander leaves. I add after. How's yours, John?
It is really nice beer. Thank you.
Dia kira saya pintar masak.